Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. Every company suddenly wants AI agents. Then someone says, no, we are building Agentic AI. Another company says, our QA team will be replaced by AI agents. Another says, no, Agentic AI will replace software engineers. So, are these just fancy marketing words or are they actually different? Today, I'll explain this using QA examples. No complicated AI jargon. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand AI agent, agentic AI, which one companies are actually building, and what it means for your QA career. Until recently, AI mostly answered questions. You asked, it replied. That's it. Now, companies don't want AI that only talks. They want AI that actually performs work. Testing, writing code, opening Jira, deploying software, running pipelines. This is where agents and agentic AI enter the picture. Think of an intern. You tell them, execute regression soon. The intern doesn't ask 500 questions. They open Jenkins, run tests, download reports, notify Slack. That's an AI agent. Notice something important. It performs one assigned goal. It has tools, but you gave the task. For example, you ask, run smoke suit on staging. Agent, log into Jenkins, executes tests, collects report, creates Jira tickets, emails summary, done. No creativity, no planning, just execution. An AI agent usually has five parts. Goal, someone tells it what to do. Brain, usually GPT, Claude, or Gemini. Memory, remembers previous steps. Tools, browser, API, database. GitHub, terminal, actions, actually executes work. Without tools, it's just ChatGPT. Now comes the confusing part. Agentic AI isn't just one agent, it's a system that behaves almost like an employee. Suppose your manager says, our login tests keep failing. An AI agent waits for instructions. Agentic AI thinks, maybe login API changed. Let me inspect logs, maybe database issue, maybe expired token, maybe browser version. Let me investigate. See the difference. Nobody told it how, it figured it out. For example, bug appears. Agentic AI reads logs, checks commits, runs API, runs UI, compares screenshots, suggests root cause, creates fix, runs regression, and deploys, monitors the production. That's agentic behavior. Most companies today are not building fully autonomous agentic AI. They are building AI agents. Examples: GitHub Copilot Agent, OpenAI Operator, Microsoft Copilot Actions, browser agents, coding agents. The fully autonomous systems are still evolving. The question everyone asks: will AI replace QA? Not exactly. The repetitive work? Definitely yes. Manual regression? Mostly. Writing repetitive scripts? Increasingly yes. But who decides testing strategy? Who validates business requirements? Who challenges assumptions? Who investigates weird production bugs? Who designs test architecture? Those skills become more valuable. The QA role evolves. Instead of clicking buttons, you will supervise AI. If I was starting QA today, I would immediately learn prompt engineering, REST APIs, automation, Python, AI workflows, MCP, vector databases, basic LLM concepts. These are becoming essential. The future isn't human versus AI. It's QA engineers who know AI versus QA engineers who don't. Understanding the difference between AI agents and agentic AI is just the beginning. In the next video, I'll show how QA engineers can build their own AI testing agent from scratch without needing a PhD in AI. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI to release code directly to production? Thank you for watching.